Hi everyone. As per latest information, Karnataka School Examination and Evaluation Board Bengaluru has decided to release second PUC exam 1 result tomorrow. Second PUC exam 1 result is expected to release on 10/4/2024 at 10 a.m. Second PUC annual exam held on March 1 to March 22 of this year. Tomorrow we have the expectation of releasing the result from the PU board. The all students are informed to check their result by using the official website mentioned here. HTTPS is to double slash KAR results.nic.in. By using this website link, you can check your individual results subject wise marks tomorrow after 10 a.m. onwards. Okay, this is the official information from the Karnataka School Examination and Evaluation Board Bengaluru. Today we got this information. Okay, all the best for your results. Thank you.